So in my last video, I went over how to create a video player with a player controller. Initially, I was looking at this video on Apple's website, Enhance Your Spatial Computing App with RealityKit. And it has a snippet of code here of how to make a video player component. But there's no instruction on how to implement this. So I was having trouble getting it to work for a while, but I finally got it to work. I'm just going to show an alternate way to implement a video player into your app. So this was my original video player. The difference with this video player is that it has a player controller which allows you to play and pause. Over here on my overview of my app, I have my window group and my starting window, which is right here. And I pasted this code into the starting window. So all you have to do once you have your video player entity in your body, reality view, content in, content.add, just add this function in, make video entity, and it will, since it's returning the video entity, it's adding the video entity here inside these parentheses. Of course, the code here describes an autoplay. So what we will see will be an autoplay. So let's take a look at the code here. Make video entity. You start by creating an entity. Then you start by creating an asset, which is the video you'll be playing. That is AV URL asset, and I loaded it from my bundle, which would be here. You double click here, you go to build phases, copy bundle resource, and you add your video here. Add other, then look for your video here. Back to the app. Now that you have your asset, which is just the title and the extension, you create a player item, and with the AV player item, you pass in your asset. Then you create a player. Then entity.components video player component.self equals .init AV player and then your player. You can change the scale by typing entity.scale times equal and the scale you want. Then you want your player to have your player item. Player.replace current item with player item, which will have the video. And then you type player.play to autoplay the video. Then you return the entity. So let's play it. And there you go. That's how you implement an autoplay video player into your app. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Apple Vision Pro videos.